the Constitution of Zimbabwe, unlike the Lancaster House Constitution, this constitution was written by all the political parties of Zimbabwe and all the people, including churches and many all organizations. So it is a constitution that represents the will of the people of Zimbabwe. And it is in this constitution that we have a section that empowers the defense forces to take appropriate action to defend national security, sovereignty, and human life. What Zimbabwe has been sliding into was a state of chaos. And for that reason, war veterans here do stand with the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, save for those that have been used by the G40 cabal. They are known. The police has been harassing people willy-nilly because they've been agreeing to be abused by the G40 cabal, and it is time for them to reform. I now read the